Creating a connected home is easy these days, and the iSelector Smart Plug can help you get started without spending a lot of money. This is a really simple compact smart plug that simply plugs in between your lamp and electrical socket. It works with your smartphone, and it also includes a switch in case for some reason you need to manually turn it on or off. With this, I can also replace my old analog light timers, but more on that later. Once it's plugged in, here's how to connect the smart plug with the Jinvu Smart app. If this is your first iSelector device, you'll have to create a new account with an email address or your cell phone number, and of course you'll need to create a password. Once that's done, tap the Add Device button. Here, tap Electrical Outlet and make sure you have the smart plug plugged in now. With the blue light blinking, tap the button on the bottom. Here, enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network. The plug only works on 2.4 GHz network, so make sure your phone and tablet is on the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes before the iSelector Smart Plug is fully connected. At this point, the blue light should be solid now. When the app confirms that the process is finished, hit the Done button. And here I'm going to update the firmware just because it's easy to do right now. But don't unplug the smart plug during this step. Once that's done, it's ready to go. I'll plug my lamp into the socket, and real quick, here's how the manual switch works. It just toggles the power on and off. And now on my phone, I can use it to remotely power on whatever is connected to the smart plug. Just keep in mind that you can only do on or off. This iSelector plug is not a dimmer. Now the app also includes a countdown feature where you can set the switch to turn off after a set period of time. You can also use a simple timer to schedule on and off times during a day, replacing my old analog light timer. So I really like the iSelector Smart Plug, and it's much smaller than the TP-Link plug that I also own. It's really simple to program, and the iSelector also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. They're really affordable, and you can get them in multi-packs to put them throughout your home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I'll see you next time.